My school name is Jilla Parishad Primary School, Chowgale Mari Vasti. इयत्ता चौथी. I would like to say good morning to our respected principal, my teachers. Today we are celebrating 67th Republic Day. It reminds us to be proud of our country and work together to make it even better. Let us make movement to thank all those who fought for freedom. They are Mahatma Gandhi, Lokman Tilak, Bhagat Singh, and my leaders who dedicated their life for India. So salute them. Happy Independence Day. Thank you. My name is Gauri Dhanashwarkar. My school name is Jilla Parishad Primary School, Chowgale Mali Vasti. I would like to say good morning to myself, to my respected principal, sir, madam, and my dear colleges. As will now this we get 67 Republic Day to our Nashi. This is our speak. Eat our India ko salad. Happy Independence Day. Thank you. My name is Vaishali, standard 4. Good morning to my respected principal sir and madam, to my respected madam and sir. My name is Vaishali, standard 4. There are Mahatma Gandhi, Lokman Tilak, Bhagat Singh, all those. Happy Independence Day. Thank you. My name is Sayogata. My school name is Jilla Parishad Prathamik Shala Chowgale Mali Vasti, standard 2. Honorable President of this program, the chief guest, respected teacher and my friend. Today I am going to tell something about Republic Day of India. So I request all of you to keep silence and cooperate. Me 26th January 1950 is one the most important day Indian history. Republic unit the Jai Hind.